I'm Hayley and I'm the set and costume designer for Our Town. Our Town is about a group of people. It's set over 3 acts and we're beginning in 1901. So we wanted it to feel of the time, of Wales, feel really rustic and rural and like a painting really. Looking out of the Welsh countryside, there's a kind of hue to the sky and a hue to those mountains and landscape, and we really wanted to put that into the colours and the textures. And costume-wise, it's obviously a big movement piece, so they're constantly moving. So it's very much then getting the actors in and feeling our way with them. We just talked a lot about what the play meant and what we wanted it to feel like. You know, I've got a dog and I was constantly walking my dog in all the Welsh countryside, and being surrounded by that I think has really influenced the visuals. Jess, Fran and I were all working together at that time, and Michael, War and Ryan, the lighting designer. So I think there's an element of trust that we all have to have in each other, that we don't quite know what it's going to look like yet, that we're building it together. I think that's what I found really exciting. We just very much want to tell a story that engages our entire audience and encompasses all the creatives. It's all of us on stage telling that play. It's not like a big fancy set, you know, it's grown, I would say, since we've been in rehearsals. The first stage directions are, there is no set and there are no props. And I think what's been brilliant about that is that we encourage the audience right from the beginning to imagine with us. So we don't give you a kitchen, we go, we're going to use all these bits and pieces to make a kitchen, and can you come and believe with us? So I think this piece of design is about investing in our imaginations and creating a world.